Students, please feel free to write the questions in the panel and we'll be very happy to answer all of them. Can a science stream student pursue BCom courses? Kaushik sir,
Yes, sir.
can you throw some light? Like, can a science stream student pursue BCom? Can do BCom
Yeah,
courses?
yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to all the panelists, my dear students, and the parents who are attending the seminar. The question was, can a science student, after his class 12, go forward with his commerce courses? Yes, why not? Not only BCom, I believe a science student can also do the most sought after courses for a commerce student after his class 12. For example, even a CA or CS or a CFA. Because during the first year level, only basics of accountancy or economics or finance, they are being taught and tested. The study material for these courses, they are written in very easy language, which can be understood by even a layman. In fact, being a science student gives you an added advantage. Science student, they have a habit of studying more from the beginning and they have a good analytical and reasoning skills. Further, if you have a maths background, it will help you a lot. Even then, if a science stream student finds it difficult, he would have to undertake guidance as we provide at the institute PACE in order to have the basic understanding of all the core subjects of the commerce streams like accountancy, economics, and finance. They can also refer to the books from +2 where all the basic of the subjects are taught. So my answer is yes, you can definitely look forward to the commerce stream subjects.
I think I'll put up a question. This student, what career options are available for BCom and BBA completed from a distance course? So I think Kaushik sir, you can explain this.
Okay, hello everyone again. So the question was, what are the career options that are available with a student who has just completed BBA or BCom? So if you are starting with BBA, so the best career options after BBA is obviously to do Master of Business Administration, that is MBA. See, MBA is the most popular courses that is available for students and is one of the best courses to do after BBA. In this course, you will learn to manage all the aspects of a business based on the specialization that you choose. See, there are over 30 MBA specializations that are being offered by management institutes in India itself. Traditionally, there was only finance, marketing, international management, or human resource, operation management, or you can say entrepreneurship. They were the most sought after courses for MBA specialization because they were considered to be the safest career options. But in today's time, in today's changing time, with time and technology, the business needs are also changing. Business schools and students, they are moving towards newer MBA specializations such as business analyticals, digital marketing, global MBA, etc. Also, they are moving in new areas such as healthcare management, communication, innovation, hospitality, and tourism sectors are also there emerging. If you talk about the top 10 MBA specialization, which are available in all the B schools in India and the top 10 MBA specialization that a student look forward to, these are MBA in finance, MBA in marketing. You can also do an MBA in information technology, MBA in international business, operation management, strategy, leadership, entrepreneurship, innovation, and also you can do MBA in a corporate social responsibility. So these are the career options for a BBA student, for an undergraduate student to master in his postgraduate is to do a MBA and in what to do in this specialization courses. Now, coming back to the second part of the question, what are the best career options after BCom honors or BCom? See, the best course for a student after BCom or while doing BCom is obviously chartered accountancy. That is the most sought after course. The first course that generally comes to the mind of a commerce student as a career option is CA. Unlike an MBA, student can enroll for CA right after completing the high school, that is class 12. It is comprises of 3 stages: foundation, IPCC, and CA finals. Clearing all the 3 stages along with an internship of 2.5 to 3 years make you a certified chartered accountant. The second course is company secretary, that is CS. If you're wondering what to do after BCom, company secretary is one of the most pivotal job roles in an organization. It is responsible for managing all the legal aspects, like you can say company tax return, you can say maintaining tax record, offering advices regarding all the legal and the statutory regulations. The third course can be Master of Commerce, that is MCOM. Now see, MCOM is the master course in commerce. The degree is 2 years long in duration and can be attained through any government recognized university like IGNOU or any college in India. This course is basically helps you master the concept that you have learned as a BCom student, and you can apply it in your professional world. You can also do CFA, which is one of the most sought after courses of a BCom student in today's time. That is Chartered Financial Analyst, that is CFA. It is a globally recognized professional designation that is offered by the CFA Institute. It is generally 2.5 years to 3 years long, and it is designed to measure and certify the competency and integrity of financial analysts. CFA are recruited by some of the top players in the world like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, or you can say Morgan Stanley. One of the courses which you can also do after BCom is law, because it will give you a competitive edge in corporate law matters. Also, you can do actuarial science. Although this combination is rare, but is emerging in today's time, and it is highly lucrative. You have to be a master in statistics. And I believe the last but not the least, you can also do a course which is called CIMA. Those who are interested in management work, you can do CIMA. It's also a better global recognition. So I think that there are many courses, and these are some of the few which I have just named.
Thank you, Kaushik sir.